Hi, this is Yusuf from teampicorner.com. In this video, we are going to start learning how to create a table. You can create a table using the create table statement. This statement defines the name and the structure of the table, including column names, data types, and the size of columns. While creating a table, you must remember the following rules. The name of the table must be unique within the database and must have a maximum of 128 characters. The table name must begin with an alphabet. The table name can consist of alphabets, numbers, and special characters such as the underscore. First of all, let's create a database. Click on Query SQL. Okay. If you want to create a database, you just write create. Okay. Then database. Okay. Then you specify the name of the database you want to create. Okay. Voting. Let's say voting system. Okay. Voting system. You cannot use space like this. You have to use underscore to join them. Say voting system. Okay. Now let's see it go. See, we have created our voting system. Okay. Let's try to use it. And you write use. Then you have that end of the database you want to use, voting system. Okay. Voting system. Then you click and go. Okay. Now we have created our database. So let's try to create a table here. Okay. In SQL. Okay. Then use this statement create table. Okay. Then the name of the table you want to create, let's say users. Okay. Then you open a bracket. Okay. You can write it on a straight line. Okay, but just for you to make our work less, I'll move it down a space. Okay. The first column we want to create, let's say we want to create ID. Okay. ID, then space, then the data type we'll be using empty. Okay. Then the maximum size you want it. Okay. By default, when you leave it without when you're using an integer data type, when you leave it by default, the maximum is 11. So let's just specify it. Okay. Next, the not null attribute. Not null. We are saying that we don't want the column to be empty. It must have a value. Okay. Next is auto incremental. Want the ID column ID to auto increment when we add another value to just be increasing. Well, for example, the last number that was stored was 20, so when we add another value, so it will be 21. Okay. Auto increment. Okay. When you're through with the first column, then you write a comma. Okay. You can write it on a straight line, or you can move to a new line. Okay. Just make our work fine. Okay. Next is username. Okay. Then we write the data type. We're using a varchar. Okay. Then the maximum size, let's say 25. Okay. And we don't want it to be empty, not null. Okay. When you're through with it, then you write a comma. Okay. Then space, or you can write on a straight line. Okay. You just get it. Password. Okay. Then the data type, varchar. And the maximum length, that's 128. Okay. Not null. Okay. And we are through with it. Then the next one, I'll write in the column category. Okay. Then we're using the int data type, and we just want one value of 1. Don't want it to be null, not null. Don't want it to be empty, not null. Okay. So every table that you create must have a primary key. We have already discussed primary key in our last tutorial. So if you want to specify a primary key for a table, just write primary key. Okay. Then you open a bracket. Then the name of the column that you want to assign the primary key to it. In this case, we'll be using our ID column to be our primary key. Okay. Then you write ID. Okay. Then since we are through with it, don't forget to close your bracket that would open here. Okay. As I told you, you can write all of them in a straight line, or you can leave it in a new line just to make your work a little bit nicer. Okay. Let's click on go to see. You see, your SQL query has been executed successfully. Okay, if you want to view the structure of the table, okay, you click on it. You see, in PHP when you see a field or a column is underlined, that specifies that that column is the primary key. Okay, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to share with friends. Till meet again in the next tutorial. Thank you all for watching.